Multicut, the 3-in-1 tool that's a precision slicer, wire cutter, and utility knife all in one, featuring a razor-sharp blade with an offset pivot point that creates incredible cutting power. Before using Multicut, follow these important safety instructions. Caution, blade is extremely sharp. Use this product only for its intended use as described in this video. Keep out of reach of children. If any part of the Multicut appears to be damaged or malfunctioning, discontinue use immediately. Use eye protection compliant with ANSI standard Z87.1 when using Multicut cutting tool. Always keep the safety lock switch engaged when not in use. Avoid contact with blades. Wear protective gloves. Take caution when opening the package and changing the blades. Never twist Multicut while using. This could cause the blade to break into sharp pieces. Here are the parts of the Multicut: steel blade, anvil surface, titanium wire cutter, base release lever, safety lock switch, replacement blade storage cartridge. Squeeze handle and pull the safety lock switch backwards to open the jaws. With a secure grip on the handles, place the object you want to cut through the jaws between the anvil surface and the steel blade. Don't place all the way into the titanium wire cutter area. Make sure that your other hand is out of the way and squeeze with a firm pressure to cut. Pull down and slide the base release lever back towards the handles to slide the anvil surface in. Close and lock the handles by sliding the safety lock switch forward towards the jaws. Slide wire under the titanium wire cutter area of the jaws. Squeeze handles firmly closed to cut copper, aluminum, and steel wire.
Big news! Magic Mesh just passed 8 million sold, and that makes it America's best-selling solution for letting fresh air in while keeping annoying bugs out. The secret isn't really magic, it's magnets. 18 super strong magnets to be exact. When you separate them, they automatically snap back together. Magic Mesh is great for pets. They can come and go as they please. It's also great for forgetful family members because it always closes automatically behind them. Plus, Magic Mesh now goes up in seconds thanks to our new one-step installation. Magic Mesh now comes in 3 sizes. One for single doors, one for double doors, and one for garage doors. So don't delay. Get your Magic Mesh today.
The Absorber is simply the best for drying. More absorbent than a chamois, easier to handle than a towel, and professionally proven to dry the most delicate finishes. Once you try it, you'll wish you'd found it sooner. Nothing will dry your car faster or easier than the Absorber, and it's gentle enough to use on all paint finishes. The Absorber is unharmed by grease, oil, and solvents, and it is not affected by soaps or detergents, which is why it lasts for years. The Absorber's amazing drying power comes from its uniquely uniform sponge-like pore structure, which attracts water to itself like a magnet, leaving a streak-free finish without removing wax. If it gets dirty, the Absorber is machine washable and can be stored wet in its handy tube. If it dries out, simply re-wet and it's ready for action. The Absorber makes cleanup of household spills a snap. With drying power like this, you'll want more than one to make all of your drying jobs a breeze. Use the Absorber in the bathroom to wipe down tile, fixtures, and shower doors. And don't forget about that other member of your family. Nothing works better at drying and cooling your dog than the Absorber. And unlike regular towel drying, the dog hair shakes right off the Absorber and doesn't get trapped inside.
places around your home where you wish you had a light, but you don't?
Hi, Hunter Ellis here for the Atomic Angel, the motion-activated cordless LED light that sticks up just about anywhere, lighting up the path atomic bright for you, your family, and your friends. The Atomic Angel tilts back and forth and rotates 360 degrees so you get the perfect amount of light exactly where you want it. The secret's the technologically advanced motion detector that activates automatically whenever a person, pet, or automobile crosses its path. Compared to a regular LED light with over 460 lumens, it blows away the competition. Stick it up by the front door, the back door, or side entrance. The Atomic Angel is bright enough to light up an entire backyard. Ideal for making a pool safer and so much more. It's the first one to see you coming and makes a great garage light. It can even light up a shed or an attic. Atomic Angel is motion activated and uses the super bright COB LED panels that have a lifetime of over 100,000 hours and turn off after 30 seconds. Putting in a light is expensive and impossible, but the Atomic Angel comes with a super adhesive strip that sticks up anywhere and stays up no matter what Mother Nature throws at it.
Introducing the Hydralight. For the first time, there is a flashlight that runs on water. How does it work? You just remove the revolutionary Hydrocell fuel cell and immerse it in any kind of water for 10 to 12 seconds. When water enters the fuel cell, it immediately begins to generate power. Place the fuel cell back in the Hydralight and you have an impressive flashlight. And for those times when the power goes out, the Hydralight is the perfect light for emergencies.
Hey there guys, I just wanted to show you this. I just got a really nice tool roll from the great folks over at Atlas 46. And I'm very tempted to use it at work. I'm gonna try to use it at work and put my tools in it because I think it'd be ideal for that as well. But as some of you may know, my wife and I like to do things off-road. So this is my old kit from the Land Cruiser, and I've set this up for the car just to try it out. So I thought I'd show you. Got all my jack parts. Everything I need to do: tires, jumper cables, hunting knife, cordage. The other side has wrenches, saws, and puts away nice and easy. Much better than the original.
Got a nasty mess from drywall sanding or paint prep?
Trap it at the source with Hyde's dust-free sanding kit.
Big jobs?
Small jobs?
Hyde's dust-free sander hooks up easily to shop vacuums and is a snap to use.
Sand drywall repairs, prep for paint, finishing tire rooms, all without a dusty mess.
Hyde's dust-free sanding kit comes with a hose, sanding screens, and built-in vac control valve. It's inexpensive, effective, and easy to use.
Less mess, less stress.
Do it the Hyde way.
Not the hard way.